Okay, now let's go to Boost Marketing. All listing users have Boost Marketing. So, agent account has it. Now it's just copy paste to the other accounts. There's nothing more that needs to be done except here the order. So, I have added with description in the diagram is what each service is. The ones with the diamond are impression based. The ones that are triangle are flat fee. Flat fee have to be organized across the bottom. So these two have to go down here, and these two have to go up here for organizational purposes. They explain how the services will work. So right now, we're looking at flat fee. We're not looking at impression. So with flat fee, it's just one page. So flat fee services is here's your description, and everything's laid out here, how it's supposed to work. This should be an oval, just like this. And this should look like our um, buttons, where it's white on the inside, blue lettering, and the light blue outlined. We have all the icons, so there won't be any confusion. But flat fees are pretty much one page, where you're, and this is what has to get, this part has to get set up. This one for flat fees, this one page is not set up. So what happens is they come here, they can name the campaign, they can schedule the start and end date for how long they want to run it, and the drop down list. Well, here's that page index. So in here, they click. First option is my private web page, right? So they can add that to this ad campaign or a specific listing. The listings here will show up just as an address, not with their actual URL, because that URL is masked. That URL should never show the actual address. It only should show the individual's full name, town, city, state, for search purposes, and then maybe gobbledygook, whatever code, but line information if needed. But keep the URL simple. And then there's some thoughts on how URL should be set up. But we want them searchable and easily searchable on the internet. But here, we want them easily identifiable for number 4. So it should show the full address with the unit number, that full address. So now I can identify which property I want to be able to promote. And then here is you just put down the location. You can say world, you can say Dubai, you can say UK, you can say London, wherever they want that ad to go and be promoted, that's where they place it. And the people who work in the back end department in the Boost Marketing admin, they'll promote it to that area. Uh, and then you upload any artwork if they have, that's not required, and then they put a message and they press start. Now what will happen is um, they should be notified. What I'm realizing right now, what's not here with the flat fee is what the fee is. So maybe I wind up adding it in here because right now there is no information on that. And when they press start, they're automatically charged. So it should send them to the checkout page to pay for that. And then they agree to pay for it or not. And that will run that ad for that period of time. And that's how all flat fees work. Impression services. So impressions are just that, impressions, and they're 2 pages. So there's the impression page, which they can select. Now this should be oval, not square. And all of this is set up in the back as well. This information down here and this information up here. They select which one they want. and then they're taken to that flat fee page, which is exactly what I already described to you. But now they know they're paying X for whatever campaign that they're running that's regarding a flat fee. Excuse me, an impression. Excuse me. And the flat fee, I need to designate a price for that and where. I haven't thought that out, but it shouldn't be hard. But again, boost marketing. Whoops. Let me get back here. Boost marketing. All listing user accounts have access to the same thing. And since right now we have this, so all we have to do is see impressions. This is the wrong one that's set up with this. So, but go back. Um, it's the same thing to be copy paste to all the other user accounts, except customer, obviously, because they're not doing this. So virtual office. Virtual office. What's going on here? Maybe something going on with the way. Okay, there we go. Okay, so what you got to check out about glitches. Now, virtual office, I'll go into in another video.